In our last episode of Rumble Seat Riders, we found this bundle tucked under the seat where the mice had set up shop. Luckily, we got it all cleared out. All right, we found these under the seat along with walnuts and all kinds of morsels. Mouse remnants. Let's see what we've got here. In our previous video, I told Jacob that I would dance a jig if these turned out to be the windshield posts. Dude, I think we may have got lucky.
There they are.
You know what these are?
Yep.
I gotta do my little dance after this. This is almost as exciting when I found the damn headlights.
Yeah.
Dang, that's what we're after. I thought this would be the last place, and this is like the last place, the last item we pulled out of there. The windshield posts. Two of them. And they look nice. Let's see if we can find a date on this newspaper. We'll probably tell us when you had them done.
Pretty heavy, aren't they?
Yeah, feel that thing. Oh, here's something. 1990. February 8th, 1990. Was a good date in history. That's huge though, because I've been trying to find these and they are not easy to find.
Putting it online.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you don't need
I
to
found
now.
somebody that may have had some, but I'm quite grateful we got ours, so that's huge. Ta-da! As promised. Oh. Windshield dance, some kind of corny dance. All right.
That's good.
Pretty sweet. This side's got a little channel in it. So I'm not sure why.
We'll find out.
We'll find out when we go to put it together. Not sure what that is. It was laying back here though. We'll just let it live right there for now. You want to grab that side and we'll... It's hitting right there. See right here? There it goes. Drop that guy back in there.
But in that rumble seat, that's...
Well, the rumble seat's packed from when we left it.
Ready?
Your battery's about done. You get the vacuum and clean the rest out, but there's that penny in there if you want to pull that out and see what year it is.
1938.
38.
They got a close-up on it.
Ooh, he's gonna get a photo of it.
And still,
Got my handy dandy lock here, or key.
It's cardboard.
What was in that cardboard? And the rumble seat all emptied out. Everything seems to have rode okay. Gonna get the first bath out here. These tires have got little bulges sticking out. And they're still holding air, but the tube's holding air, but the tire's about to go. Here, I'll let you do the honors on the other side. The running boards were really grimy. Hit this up here and I'll wipe it down with my hand. Look at that. Weird how it's kind of streaky right there. Hit this back area again, I kind of wiped some of it down. Oh, it's so much better. Better. To that bottom part. Up through here, Jacob. Looking better, huh?
Yeah.
I wiped down some of this other side if you want to rinse it back off. Pretty good. If you kneel down, can you kind of look underneath there and see if we can spray off any of the spider web junk?
It doesn't really come off.
I know. Just spray this side back off again, and I think we're going to call it good. For today, anyhow. I think it's looking pretty good, huh? So much better than it was. Still got some vacuuming to do in here, but we got a lot of it blown out at least. Go for it. Actually, Jalen, let's put it. Let's leave it just in case my brush full. Okay, Jacob, start straightening it out.
All right.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Hold on. Yeah, that one's good, Jacob.
Okay.
We got it. Jalen's gonna watch it so it doesn't hit the front tire. Doing okay over there? Start turning it this way. Doing okay over there?
The blanket has to get pulled away.
There you go, keep going. Keep going, Jacob. Yeah, let's go a little bit more. Pretty good, huh? Yeah, why don't you go stand on that side? Step out there.
Ready?
Hold on. Okay, both look at me. All right. Here's a chair when you need it. How are you doing? Good. So let's start cranking this way a little bit more.
get your tire over the strap, I think it won't matter. Let's right, let's go right
Keep
over,
going?
let's go back further,
Yeah.
then pull it out. There you go. You're getting close.
Stop. It's been enough.
Well, that's good, you got her in.
Pretty good. All right.
Ready to roll.
Yeah. Something like that. I think it's got a ways to go before it's ready to roll.
Jay Lynn will want to take it on her prom night. She could take it going to the dance, huh?
Like that.
Yeah, but you're gonna want to get in a position where you got all your strength. Well, you don't have it with your one hand.
Oh, I can see it. It looks like it's on there, right?
Sit in there somehow, you pull it and that's how you get you started.
Okay, so you're gonna want one hand here and the other hand there.
Right here?
Yeah.
And that's how the car's
No.
Okay. Here, you hold this.
nothing.
Yeah.
I remember it being hard.
Not hard. Yeah.
Nothing?
Nope.
Yeah, okay. Don't ask me, I'll rip all my stitches out.
I know.
Today's a big day. We got the car in the garage.